afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Our family now.
Well, thank God. So you miss address?
No. Address. You know be the same motor.
Na me dey sell this motor now. This one na Benz, original Benz.
Na Benz be this.
Yes.
Now wetin I wan buy na? I wan go show my relative say I don make am. I don make am for Lagos. No be
Na
lie.
correct Benz. If you carry am go village, people go appreciate am well well. Your mother go appreciate am well well.
Aye. Na Benz wey people carry the big guy for me. I go show them say I don land. I don land. How much?
Na 4M o.
Exactly.
Wetin be 400,000 na? I fit price am.
You are free now.
You fit give me this thing for 10,000 naira.
When you go see Benz like this, you wan buy Benz 10,000 naira. Na side meal you wan buy. Abi na pocket and change you wan buy. Why you go dey buy Benz 10,000? Why you know wetin you wan buy? Come and say wetin you wan buy. You wan buy na Benz now. No dey see am.
Na Benz.
Na him na.
Too much.
No para na.
Why you dey talk like this?
Oga, we no dey quarrel. Come make we reason well na. No be say I don carry the motor comot na. But bros, I fit add 2k make I 12,000 naira.
Why you go buy Benz 12,000 naira? Which kind talk be that one? Why you go dey talk like this? Why? Oga no come spoil business for me abeg. Comot. Wa mo le fọgọ lórí iye ẹ ṣàbò yà wèrè. O rí bó ṣe múra ni. O fẹ́ ra Benz 12,000 naira. Kó ṣùkú iwájú mi jọ. Mo le fọgọ lórí ẹ. Kó ṣùkú iwájú mi ọ̀gá.
No be price and price.
Ọ̀gá kó ṣùkú iwájú mi.
Na so na dey carry Benz dey sell una.
Kó ṣùkú iwájú mi.